Josh, I cannot do this anymore. Trade with the trend, trade with the trend. I keep buying when it's buying, I keep selling when it's selling, but somehow I just keep losing money. I can't do this anymore. Forex is a scam. Shh, calm down. Forex is not a scam. Let me tell you what you're doing wrong. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you're new, please kindly subscribe. Thank you in advance. Like and also share these videos so that you can reach out to many people. Well, let me tell you what you're doing wrong. For example, we have an uptrend, right, where market is creating series of higher highs and lower highs. Now this is an uptrend because the market is trending upward, like you can see it already. So now in an uptrend we have levels, right? We have levels everywhere. Now these levels are what? Support and resistance. R is resistance and S is support. Now for you not to lose money in this kind of market, you basically need to wait. You need to be patient and wait. Now the market's already trending upward. Now the market's at this level here where it has what? Turned resistance into support automatically. Now do you enter the market just like that? No, you don't enter the market. You have to wait for the market to pull back to what? The resistance that was just turned into support. Now allow it to what? To retest this level. When it retests this level and what? It does not go down, you can now enter for a buy and what? To the upside, right? Now something like this can also happen. The market can what? Come below this previous high, right, and still move back upward. If you are already in, your stop loss might just be below the previous high and then you'll be taken out of the market. So you need to wait. By all means, you have to wait. It is patience that is making you to lose money. Forex is not a scam. You just have to wait. Now when your price comes to this level and then it fails to break below and continue going downward, you now know that, oh, I can now start buying in this market. All you have to do is what now? Look for where to put your entry, either on a lower time frame, and then you can buy to the upside. You can put your first TP here or here, and then you will stop losing money. All right. So forex is not a scam. You're just doing something wrong. You're not entering the market at the right time. The same thing when you're in a downtrend, right? When you're in a downtrend. Now, when you're in a downtrend, market is what? Coming down, creating series of what? Lower lows and lower highs. Now, do you enter the market for a sell at this level? No, you don't. You wait for price to pull back. When price pulls back and then it fails to what? To continue going upward, you can now enter for a sell at this level. Enter for a sell at this level and then what? Put your stop loss below it, can be 20 or 30 pips below it, and then you enter for a sell, and then price will eventually go in your direction. But if you're in a hurry, if you're chasing price, you're entering your market in the middle of nowhere, you will keep losing money. Now let's go to the chart so that I can show you on the chart. So guys, this is USD JPY. First thing I am going to do is to what? Identify my trend. Now this is an uptrend. Now it's an uptrend to me because I can clearly see that what? It has created series of higher highs and higher lows. I can see that it has created what? Series of higher highs and higher lows. Then the next thing I am just going to do is to what? Is to mark up certain levels of support and resistance. Now I have a level here, I have one level here, I have another level right here, then I have my resistance level right here. Now all I want to see is for price to come and test this zone. I want to see price test this zone. When price tests this zone, if it breaks below here, I am not going to be buying. But if price should turn reverse and what rejects at this zone, I am going to start looking for opportunities to buy up here. So this is basically what I am going to be doing. So now let's see how price eventually plays. Now you can see it, guys. I have a retest here. Now I have my retest here. What I'm basically going to do is to what? Get my long position, and then now I'm going in for a buy at this level. And then my TP1 is going to be here, and then my TP2 I might just decide to extend it a bit further here and then wait to see how it plays out. So let's see how it goes, guys. Now look at this, guys. Look at this. It keeps going up. It's going up, come down. Let's see. Guys, see, smashed both TP1 and TP2. It is as easy as that, guys. You just have to wait. You just have to wait. There's no need to be in a rush. You just have to wait, guys. If I'm going to take another trade, I'm just going to wait for it for price to come and retest this level. When price comes there and retest that level, if I need to go for a buy, I'm going to wait to see if price is going to do something like this downward, or if not, I'll wait to see if price is still going to continue going back upward. And by so doing, I will take another buy from this trade, right? I'm going to take another buy from this trade at this level if price comes and tests this level, and then it doesn't break below it. Now I'm just going to set my TP1 here, and then my TP2 might just be all the way up here. So let's see how it plays out again, guys. Let's see. See, price did not come back to my zone. When price fails to come back to retest, what do? Do you just dive into it? No, you don't. You have to wait. You have to wait, guys. Wait to see if price will come back here. When it does, I'm going to enter for another buy. Now look at this, guys. Look, price is here. Price is back right where I want it to come. Right there. Now I can decide to take my buy from here and then extend my take profit and see how it's going to play out, guys. I have already waited. Now price has come back. Now price did not break low. I can decide to take my buy from here. Let me just take my buy and then see how it plays out, guys. Let's see. Now look, guys, look at this. Look, smash TP1, TP2 taking, guys. It's just about waiting, guys. It's just simple act of waiting. So guys, this is so simple. You can do the same thing you just did when the market is in a downtrend. All right, guys. So also remember that risk management is very, very important. Whenever you're trading, always apply risk management alongside your patience. This will help you to grow consistently. All right, guys. So thank you very much for watching to the end of this video. Kindly like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.